G'day guys, it's Vulcan Camman here. How's it going? So, not a lot's been happening in the last month or so. Well, nothing really interesting to vlog about. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to make a little compilation or something of just some of the crazy stuff that I've seen over the past month or so. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So let me know which one is your favorite. Here's the first clip. Put your phone down, mate. Dickhead. Finally caught one. Oh wow.
A few moments later.
Whoa, Jesus Christ, mate. I hope you realise you're speeding, you're going faster than the speed limit. And you also overtook me very close, so it's hard to be respectful to cyclists when they do shit like that. I mean, they share the road just like you, but just because, forget it. What the hell are you doing, mate? Oh wow, that's Saturday for you. Lots of fucking dickhead drivers on the road today. Oh wow.
Can you reach up here? Oh my god. Wow, we are just a lucky man. Ready? Ready? Smile, Arjun. Graham will love that. Ready? No, steady. Go like this. Yeah, you guys up to this.
Phone down, dickhead. Got you on camera. Double white line, dickhead.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Wait. That is Jeremy. Fuck. I feel bad now. Oh, damn. Hey dude, I'm sorry I honked at you earlier back there. I thought you
tried it. It wasn't that car.
I thought it was someone else. I'm so sorry about that, dude.
No, that's alright.
Yeah. Alright, catch you later. Oh, fuck me, dude. I feel bad now. So yeah, that was the little compilation I have for you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to use it in your stupid, crazy, angry people versus bikers compilation or whatnot, just send me a message and yeah, let me know. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to share it around and give it a like and subscribe. That all helps an awful lot. I really appreciate that. So we're coming on at 50, no, we're past 50 subscribers now, I think so, which is well, I know it's a small number, but I'm actually quite proud of that. I honestly, that's the best I've ever done when it comes to YouTube channels, and I've had a few YouTube channels in the past, but yeah, obviously the motovlog one's one to go. So I was thinking, if we can make 100 subscribers, I might do a maybe a JB Hi-Fi gift card giveaway, gift card voucher or something like that giveaway, and one of you lucky subscribers might score yourself a JB Hi-Fi gift card or something like that. So yeah, share it around, ask your mates to subscribe, and if we can make 100 subscribers, I'll give you guys a chance to win a JB Hi-Fi gift card. Just so you know, this is for Australian residents only, so I do apologise for that. Yeah. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. So thanks, cheers, ride safe.